Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. So, Mama Pat, aka Mommy Agradaa, twerks her way into a lawsuit with Mr. and Mrs. Adorye. Yes, Empress Gifty, gospel musician, and her husband Hobson Adorye brouhaha with Mama Pat has led to a 20 million Ghana cedis lawsuit. Yes, this is what is happening this week in their saga. Mommy Pat twerking herself into a fight with Hobson and
Fine.
her wife.
Alarm
Yes.
shake. No go tantalizer. Arias. No go fine. No go tantalizer. Yeah. Let me tell you. Enti. I'm a cookie to early now. I'm out to. What am I going to do? Enti. What you know? Unta the basket me. Hey, sister. Me say. What person be did no go fine. No go tantalizer. If you want me to give it to you back, come here. If you want me to give it to you back, just be on your compound. Send your sister, see mama sorry no pay. I'm a compound or so what's this? Just walk around on your compound. Just walk around on your compound. Maria said, let us see your compound. Maria said, and then the lecturer said, you can be with me. Just 12 rounds. And now the basket, I be see what. Share your baby, I want to have a good basket. And I when you know, me basa me de beche. Oh boy, when you ma here go see, quite for go see. Quite go see. What do you do? You know, high nine. What do you do? Nara, sister. Hey, no go pressure, no go pressure, no go tantalizer. Yeah. What do you say? Hey, Hobson. Sophia, before you come and beef Gifty, be a Juma, Siakwa. You were if you drew so high dying. I mean, maybe I can make the bed share. What when you man are you gonna go see? Me so your bad, just be in your compound, just be in your compound and give us catwalk like this. This just give us the catwalk. Hey, just show them. Why we are saying? I was here for and I told you no hours boutique. I know what I know what. Wait, I'm counting my blessing. Today is Monday. On my way to work, I'm still counting my motherfucker. What I say? Hey, alarm shook. Hey, no go pressure. No go afraid. No go you don't afraid. Mention my name. No go oko you TV want me a movie. No go want me. And you almost work at trending news. But maybe no surgery. No surgery. 5 children. How will you know? How will you know? The words in it. It's the word. Hey, now to say. Hey. Show them. No go fine. No go tantalizer. Hi, rich auntie. No go fine. You see my husband? What about Wale Akokura Wedging? For Wale Abrantia with me answer.
This week, a big flood hit Accra, and a lot of victims were affected. A lot of areas were hit with this flood. A lot of people lost their items, their wares, and a lot of residences were affected. People are now stranded. Some don't have a place to
In my
stay.
house. It's crazy. Come my room. Like, hey, Like, I've never seen anything like this in my life before.
Barrier for almost 30 to 1 hour. No, cars ni nyinaa gyina. Ah, she say, ontimi nkɔ. And the water is at the tide level. Into obeden akɔ shatie. We development no obeden akɔ so. Cause the okɔ ebi also gyina ha. And the kwanse na be bia na wa for ho. Electrical cables is for adefumbo.
Kaneshi Market Center. Kaneshi Market Center.
Another saga, major cities in Accra were being decongested. A lot of traders were being sacked from where they sell their wares because the mayor is decongesting Accra. Yes, this is a lot of traveling thing happening, but is it right or is it wrong? Because sometimes these traders they block our ways to our places. When you want to go and pick car or you are passing by, you can't. There's a lot of human traffic. So is it a good thing? It continues. Monaguchi versus the TikTokers. So after the brouhaha with Nana Creado saying that she won't attend TGMAs because of they invite TikTokers, a lot of stars brought their opinions, and this lady Monaguchi agrees with Nana. So do you think she did the right thing or not? Please watch this skit by our famous Almond, number one TikToker, where she mocks Monaguchi.
Oh, good afternoon. My name is Gucci. Me minti di aukano pacho kachu na minti why minti brofu. Oh, and yeah, sorry why. Pachi from me Gucci. Okay, Gunch. That be Gucci. Oh, Gunchi. That be Gucci. No one me kai Gunchi. Kasa minti yo. Miss Law, I will Massachusetts. That be Massachusetts. And me scouting for talented kids. Oh, talented kids, they mean show talented kids. So there be talent. Oh, talenty. Talent ni dia ubetu me alcohol no akora bi wo ho ye friend asafo. Bisanu me dem nim. Okay, sure. Thank you so much. And see me ko Hawaii. Me chiki kabam politan. Oh, you see akora ro be fat bucket for bunzo politan. Oh, okay.
Sad news today. Popular Ghanaian highlife artist Dada KD passes away after a short illness. He was rushed to the hospital after feeling unwell, but he ended up dying. Dada KD is popular for one of his very big high life songs, which I know all of you enjoy. RIP, I'm leaving you with this video. So this after the Accra flood, some people decided that In fact, man shall not what? Die alone. That they have to chop something before what? Anything. So this is a group of ladies that are what? Pounding fufu and coming to chop. So they don't care about flood or not. They don't care about water. They've decided to what? Pound their fufu and eat. So watch this video and see you next time. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.